Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transportation in Washington, D.C. The metro system is efficient and easy to navigate once you know the basics. You'll primarily use the Metrorail and Metrobus. Getting a Smart Trip card is your first step for smooth travel. This card works across the entire system, making your journey simple and stress-free. Let's dive into the details. The Metrorail is a fantastic way to get around D.C. Each station has clear signage and maps to guide you. Remember to tap your Smart Trip card both when entering and exiting the station, as fares are distance-based. Pay attention to the color of your train line to ensure you're heading in the correct direction. It's a straightforward system designed for convenience. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. And speaking of travel, staying hydrated is key, especially when exploring a city. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold all day. Check the description below for a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. For destinations not directly served by the Metrorail, the Metrobus system is your best friend. Bus stops are clearly marked throughout the city. Just tap your Smart Trip card when you board. Buses run frequently, and the WMATA app provides real-time tracking, so you'll know exactly when your bus will arrive. Don't forget to signal your stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.